So in this video, we are going to cover, on the test reports, on the certain facts, of the WPC door frames, which would highlight, that what exactly are the statistical facts behind the WPC door frames. So the first point is impact indentation. So as per ASTM-D 256, we have achieved a value, our door frame has achieved a value of 46.53 J/M. That's a very great impact indentation. The second is the flexural resistance. So as per ASTM-D 790, we have achieved a value of 10.74 Nmm square. Then the third is, the shock resistance of, when a 5 kg load is put in, from a 2 meter height, then it passes that test with no cracks being observed into that. Then the fourth, which is very important point, and that is density. So density, when we talk about the density, so it has a German encapsulation, which has a density of 1.4 to 1.45 on the outer layers, and the inside layer has a density of say about 1.1. So in total, the aggregate density, it falls between in the range of 1.2 to 1.2.5. Then when we talk about the shore hardness, so the shore hardness of all our door frames, it crosses 85. Then, a very major important point is the water absorption, that whether it absorbs water or whether it absorbs moisture or not. So definitely as per IS through 2830.16, the door frames, have a percentage water absorption of 1.9%, which is pretty less in comparison, to any wooden door frames when we compare. Then when we talk about another fact, that is heat resistance, which is a very important point, in buildings, in today's time. So as per the heat resistance test of IS 14772, it confirms and passes our test. Then last but not the least, the flammability test, it is very important, for any group housing building, for any institute, whether they are building, a big, institute, then flammability test, is something as per IS 11731, it has a value of FV0, which is very important, and definitely all these facts highlight, that our door frames, are technically proven, they are tried, tested, and they are accredited by laboratories like Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, that is CPET, and it certifies that the products whatever we manufacture, they are nothing less than of being at the best quality and meeting the best quality standards.